What if I told you that one of America's most powerful fighter jets isn't the newest stealth design, but something built on a tried-and-true classic? The F-15EX, a heavy fighter that refuses to fade into history and remains one of the most capable combat aircraft in the world. The F-15EX matters because modern air combat isn't just about stealth numbers or how new a jet looks. It's about effectiveness in real war zones. Unlike many modern fighters that prioritize hidden signatures, the F-15EX carries massive payloads, powerful systems, and can operate for long missions, making it a backbone for U.S. air power. The U.S. Air Force didn't design the F-15EX to be flashy, but to solve real problems. They took the classic F-15 airframe, a design with decades of combat experience, and rebuilt it from the inside out. It features a new cockpit, modern sensors, enhanced electronic warfare systems, and a digital backbone that lets it evolve over time with new upgrades. This isn't a stealth jet built for hiding. It's a fighter built for dominance, one that can integrate with drones, networked systems, and coordinate the battle rather than just fight in it. So what makes the F-15EX different from many other fighters? Its payload capacity. This jet can carry more weapons, including air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground munitions, than almost any other fighter. It can carry dozens of missiles, even configurations that give it up to 22 air-to-air missiles, a loadout unmatched by most modern combat jets. Beyond firepower, its radar and electronic warfare suite give it enhanced survivability against modern air defenses. This combination of firepower, range, and advanced systems gives it an edge where stealth alone can't. And here's the twist. The F-15EX isn't trying to replace stealth fighter. It complements them. So tell me in the comments, would you rather have a fighter jet that hides or one that stops the fight once it begins? Its open mission systems mean it can rapidly integrate new technologies more rapidly than aircraft locked into fixed systems. That adaptability makes it a bridge between today's air fleets and the future networked force. Let's talk about money in a simple way. The F-15EX costs around $80 to $90 million per jet. That's a lot. But for a top-level fighter, it's actually reasonable. You're not just buying a plane, you're buying power, range, and reliability. One big advantage of the F-15EX is this: the Air Force already knows how to take care of it. The F-15 family has been flying for over 40 years, so mechanics, tools, and spare parts are already in place. That makes the F-15EX easier to keep in the air and cheaper to operate than many newer jets. You might ask, why use a jet that isn't stealth? Because not every mission needs stealth. Stealth jets sneak in first. The F-15EX comes after and brings serious firepower. It's built to fight in open airspace and win. The F-15EX can carry a huge number of missiles, more than most fighters in the world. That means it can protect other jets and stop enemy aircraft from getting close. In a real fight, that kind of firepower matters. The F-15EX isn't just a shooter. It's also a flying command center. It receives information from satellites, drones, and other jets, then shares that data across the battlefield. So pilots don't fight alone. They fight with a full picture of what's happening. Think of the F-35 and F-15EX as a team. The F-35 sneaks in quietly. The F-15EX arrives with strength. One sees the danger, the other handles it. Together, they are more powerful than either one alone. Enemies still fear the F-15EX, not just because of what it can do, but because of what it represents. When this jet shows up, it means the U.S. is serious, and in war, that message can be stronger than weapons. The F-15EX is used primarily for air superiority and homeland defense. Its main task is to protect airspace, intercept unknown aircraft, and support other fighters during large operations. The U.S. Air Force positions this jet in key regions where fast response and heavy payload are required. It is not designed for stealth missions, but for control of open airspace. F-15EX squadrons train regularly in air-to-air combat, electronic warfare, and long-range interception. Pilots focus on coordination with other aircraft and ground command centers. The goal is not only to fly well, but to operate as part of a larger system. Every mission is planned using real-time data and shared intelligence. One reason the F-15EX remains effective is logistics. The U.S. already has decades of experience supporting the F-15 family. Tools, spare parts, and trained technicians are widely available. This allows the aircraft to stay operational with less downtime compared to many newer platforms. The F-15EX strengthens deterrence by showing visible air power. When this jet operates near key regions, it sends a clear signal of presence and readiness. It does not rely on secrecy. It relies on capability and consistency. The F-15EX is expected to remain in service for decades. Its digital architecture allows upgrades in radar, weapons, and communication systems. Rather than replacing it soon, the Air Force plans to keep improving it. This makes the aircraft relevant even as technology evolves. If this helped you understand the F-15EX better, subscribe to Jet Force News. Hit like, drop a comment on what aircraft you want next, and I'll see you in the next video.